Hello there, Amazon. This is Amy from 911 Studios, and today we're talking about all of our favorite summer products on Amazon. And this is so cool. It's the Wow World of Water Sports giant water slide. You guys, water slide technology has come a long way since I was a kid. So if you need to update your old school water slide, this is the one. This is so cool. It connects right to your water hose, and instead of having just a single line spray of water like most older water slides have, this one has a zigzag spray pattern, so it's going to keep the entire slide super wet and slippery. You're not going to hit those dry spots and slow down or hurt yourself. So that's super fun. It also has these big pontoons on the side, so it's going to keep all the water in, so you have more water sliding action and you're not totally drenching the sides of your yard. You're staying in line and you're not wiping out. It's just a great design. Plus, coming with the slide, you get two of these inflatable sleds. That's gonna be super cool, and this is just a win-win for everyone because one, it's gonna be a lot safer than just running and sliding headfirst into the yard, but it's also going to make you go faster because you're gonna have less friction. So everyone is happy, it's more fun and more safe. You guys, this is made out of super high quality materials. The PVC that this is made out of is really special for two reasons. One, it is twice as thick as most other water slides on the market. So you're gonna have something that's a lot more durable. It's gonna hold up for several years and just gonna be a lot better water slide, better made. Two, it is embossed PVC. So that means that it's going to naturally be a lot slippier and, slippier, is that a word? I don't know, a lot more slippery, and you're gonna have a lot more fun on the water slide because you're gonna just be going super fast and having a great time. Another really cool thing about this one, definitely check this out, put it in your cart. They have a 1-year hassle-free warranty, plus with Amazon you get that 30-day A to Z guarantee. So go ahead, put it in your cart, get at least one, but wait, maybe get up to 4 of them or more. I don't know what you got going on, but these have a really cool design where you can hook as many together as you want. One is 25 foot long, but you guys stay with me. If you get 4 of them, you got a 100-foot water slide and you are the talk of the neighborhood forever. Invite me over for sure. You guys go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be really glad that you did.